Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to allow notifications from contacts in work focus on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Work. Then in the Work focus, click People under the Notifications. Then after that, as you will see that the Allow Notifications From is disabled, and all you have to do is just click this to enable until there's a check mark on the side. When the Allow Notifications From is enabled, when the Work focus is on, notifications from people you select will be allowed. All others will be silenced and sent to Notification Center. And that's it. We have successfully allowed notifications from contacts in Work focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!